Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to LENOVO Tab E10. Begin by going into Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to set it up by clicking on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Closed in white pop-up at the top. And select Send at the bottom left corner of your Xiaomi. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Finally, you can go back to Xiaomi and using all of those categories available at the top, select all of your files that you wish to send. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you wish to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on a Lenovo tablet. Come on! Then select Allow in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, select Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!